Hi, welcome to my channel Mathematics Made Easy by Mary MJ. Here I am discussing class 11 chapter 3 trigonometric functions. We'll study how to find out the values of trigonometric functions. Let us take sine of 765 degree. How to find out the value of sine 765 degree? What do you mean by 765? So, if I am drawing the axis, what does this 765 means? It means that if I am completing one complete revolution, it completes 360 degree. Once again, if I am revolving like this, here up to this it is 720. That means 2 times 360 is 720 degree. So we have completed up to 720 degree here. Now remaining how much is there in order to reach 765? So in order to reach 765, 45 degree more. So again we have to go little bit this side, and now it is 45 degree. So this is 765 degree. That is 2 times after completing the revolution. Then little bit more if you are moving up, you are getting 765. So you can write this as 720 plus 45. And what is 720 degree? That is sine 2 times 360 plus 45. So we have to consider only this side 45 degree, because other complete revolution is completed. That is 720 means 2 times complete revolution. Now it is in the positive quadrant. First quadrant has reached the first quadrant. So now it is here. So we have to find out only what is sine 45 degree. Sine 45 degree, we all know that it is 1 by root 2. So sine 765 is equal to 1 by root 2. Now moving on to the next one. So what you have to do is you have to check what is the exact number of revolutions. Then we can find the remaining angle. So that is about the positive angle. What about the negative angle? So I'll take one negative angle. Let it be cos of minus 1710 degree. So what do you mean by minus sign? I told you minus sign means it is moving in the positive, that is clockwise direction. So from here, like this way moving, this is one time, but it is negative angle because it is moving in the clockwise direction. Then again, how many times I have to complete in order to make an angle near to 1710 degree? Always we have to see the greater one. That is, we can write this as 5 into 360, it is 1800. So we need to find out a bigger angle than which it is given if it is negative. So here once I have completed one revolution, again you have to complete one more. Like that way 5 times if I am completing, it will reach like this way. 5 times I have reached here. So it haven't completed the full 5 revolutions, because 5 revolutions means 1800. It has reached only minus 1710 degree. Minus 1710 degree means a few degrees this side. How much degrees back? How much degree I have to move back? So that is, what is the difference between minus 1710 and 1800? It is 90 degree difference. So it has reached only up to this. So how much will be cos of minus 1710 degree? That means it is cos of minus 1710 degree plus 1800. So we are making it as positive angle and finding how much is the degree measure. And that is equal to cos 90 degree. And cos 90 degree is 0. So if it is a negative angle, we have to find out how many rotations, how many revolutions it is there to complete that particular revolution. So how much degree is needed again to complete that particular revolution. So always we have to take the greater one if it is minus 1710 or negative angles. We have to complete that revolution, then add it, you will get the positive angle. So we'll move on to the exercise question and then you will understand more. Exercise 3.2. First one we have already done the sine 765. Now the second question there is cosec minus 1410 degree. So I told you if it is negative angle, we have to find out the more angle there, that is how many complete revolutions are being done. So that is 1410 degree, near to that it is 1440. That is how much is 360 into 4. 1440 is 360 into 4. So in order to make it as positive angle, I have to write it as cosec minus 1410 plus 1440. That in order to complete that revolution, how much is needed. So that is equal to cosec, subtracting this you are getting 30 degree. And sine 30 is 1 by 2, so cosec 30 is 2. So once again I am telling, if is negative angle, if it is negative angle, we have to complete that revolution, that is a greater angle you have to take and add it with the negative angle. So you will get how much is this positive angle you will get there. Now since it was minus 1410 degree, if I am adding 90 only, you will get that is with minus 1410 degree I have to add 1440, that is the complete 4 revolutions. Then you are getting that smaller angle. The smaller angle you will get like that. So that is minus 1410 plus 1440, then it will be cosec 30. So cosec 30 means it will be here. So it is moving how many revolutions completely in clockwise direction. So first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and it is reaching here. So now it has reached here. Now I need to find out only the positive angle. So only this angle I am finding. For that, this much angle it is minus 1410. Along with that, the positive angle 1440. If I am adding that, I am getting the small angle, that is 30 degree. And cosec 30 is 2. So that is a way in which you have to complete. Now next one. Next question is tan 19 pi by 3. It is a positive angle. So how to make it as, how to find out the number of revolutions here? We can write this as, how can you write 19 pi by 3? So if I am dividing this, 6 complete revolutions will be there, because 3 6 are 18. So 6 complete revolutions, remaining pi by 3. So 6 pi plus pi by 3. So this is the number of complete revolutions and this is the remaining angle. Pi by 3 is the remaining angle. Now the answer will be tan pi by 3. How much is tan pi by 3? It is tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. So 19 pi by 3 value will be root 3. Then next question. Sine minus 11 pi by 3. So I have told you, if it is negative angle, we have to find out the next positive angle to complete the revolution. So this can be written as, the next positive angle to complete the revolution will be plus 12 pi by 3. That means 12 pi by 3 means it is 4 pi. 4 pi means 2 complete revolution. So in order to complete this, I have to add 12 pi by 3, the next complete revolution. So that is a greater angle. So this can be written as sine pi by 3. And how much is sine pi by 3? That is sine 60. Sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. So that's a way in which you have to find out the answer. Then next question, cot minus 15 pi by 4. So cot of minus 15 pi by 4. See what is the greater angle, greater one to complete the revolution. So that is cot of minus 15 pi by 4 plus 16 pi by 4. 16 pi by 4 means it is 4 pi, which is 2 complete revolution. So minus 15 pi by 4 plus 16 pi by 4, the remaining angle will be cot pi by 4. And cot pi by 4 is 1. Then one more question is there. Next one, sine 31 pi by 3. It is a positive angle. So you can find how many complete revolutions it is there. So 31 by 3 means completely it will go here 3 into 10. 10 is a multiple of 2 pi. So 2 pi into 10. Here it is 31 pi by 3. So if you are dividing it, the quotient will be 10. That is 10 pi plus pi by 3. So 10 pi means 2 complete revolution, 5 complete revolution, because 1 revolution is 2 pi radians. Here 10 pi, so how many complete revolutions? 5 complete revolutions. So the remaining angle will be pi by 3. So the value of sine pi by 3 is sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So that is the way in which you have to find out the values of trigonometric functions. Now we'll move on to trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles. Trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles. Trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles. So before that, I have to tell you what is sine of minus x. Since the sine is an odd function, sine of minus x is minus sine x. Whereas cos is an even function, so cos of minus x is equal to cos x. These two you have to keep in mind while finding out the remaining. That is, we are moving on to trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles. So we'll derive a formula there. For that, I'm going to derive cos of x plus y is equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. This result we are going to derive. For that, I am considering here a unit circle. Unit circle means the radius of the circle is 1. So this point, it is 1, 0. Now I am taking a point on this circle, and on a circle, if I am writing a point, it will be in terms of cos x and sin x. So I am marking the coordinate here. Let there be an angle. We are taking an angle from this side, a positive angle I am taking. Let it be x. So that angle, it is here. So it have moved an angle x. So let this be x. And so since this angle is x, I can write this as P1 of cos x comma sin x. Since it is on the circle, we are writing in the polar form. Polar form means first one always in terms of cos and second one in terms of sin. Since the angle here, the angle taken is x, you can write here cos x comma sin x. Now again a small angle it is moved from the side, and that small angle let it be y. So it has reached, it has reached here, that is at the point P2. This point is P2. P2 of this angle rotated, it is y. So now the total angle, always we have to take the total angle from this, from the initial side to this side, it is now x plus y. So this point P2, coordinate of P2 can be written as cos of x plus y comma sin of x plus y. Because the angle moved here, this much is x and this much is y. So that is why it is x plus y up to P2, it is x plus y. At the same time, in the clockwise direction, same angle y, it is being moved this side. That is same angle, it has moved this side and it has reached over here. So this point, let it be P3. This point, we will take it as P3, and that we are considering from this side, and we know that it is a negative angle because it is in the clockwise direction. So let this angle be minus y. So it has reached over here, and this point we can write it as cos of minus y comma sin of minus y. That is P3. And finally we will take this point as P4, since it is a unit circle and it can be written as 1 comma 0. Now I am joining P1 to P3. I am joining this P1 to P3, and again I am joining this P2 to P4. We are getting two similar triangles. Which are the two similar triangles here? And not only similar, they are congruent also. Which all triangles? P1 O P3. First triangle, let it be P1 O P3, and the second triangle, let it be P2 O P4, are the two triangles to be considered. Both are congruent triangles. Because if I am considering this P1 O P3, we can see that this part, that is here if I am shading this part, and here in this second triangle P2O P4, this part, this much is common, this much is there, and this area is common for both the region. You can see that this is common, this much angle is common for both. So you can say those two triangles are congruent triangles, and their angles it is same. Both the triangles are congruent triangles. Triangle P1O P3 and P2O P4 are congruent. What is the reason for they are congruent? They are congruent because this P1O means it is a radius. Then here in the second triangle also P4O, P2O and P3O, these all are equal. So the two sides are same, at the same time their angles are same. That means those two triangles are congruent triangles. Then, so if they are congruent, I can write that P1 P3, P1 P3 P1 P3 and P2 P4 are same. This length P1 P3 length and P2 P4, their length are also same. So since we need to find out, we have to apply distance formula. I can write it as, because square we need in a distance formula square root will be there, so I am taking square on both sides. Now what is P1 P3? How to find out the distance? That is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, that is cos x minus cos of minus y whole square. Then plus sin x minus sin of minus y whole square is equal to, what about the other side? Other side it is y coordinate. What about p2 p4? p2 p4 square means cos of x plus y minus 1 whole square. This side it is cos of x plus y minus 1 whole square, or you can write 1 minus also, you can write whichever you feel better, because it is square, both sides square, it is distance formula, no? So you can write 1 minus, that also no problem. 1 minus cos of x plus y whole square plus 0 minus sin of x plus y whole square. Now we'll expand this. I have told you, since it is an even function, cos of minus y is cos y itself. So this is cos x minus cos y whole square, and this is cos x minus cos y whole square, and this is sin x minus of sin of minus y, that is sin x plus sin y whole square. And this side you can expand, that is a minus b whole square, 1 minus 2 times cos of x plus y plus cos square of x plus y, and the last term is plus sin square of x plus y. And here expanding this, cos square x plus cos square y minus 2 cos x cos y plus sin square x plus sin square y plus 2 sin x sin y, 2 sin x sin y. Two sin x into sin y is equal to, so expanded completely. Other side you can see here, sin square x plus y plus cos square x plus y, it is 1, and here also 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 2 into cos of x plus y. Now the left side, cos square x plus sin square x, it is 1, cos square y plus sin square y, again 1, then remaining minus 2 cos x cos y plus 2 sin x sin y equal to 2 minus 2 cos of x plus y. And here 1 plus 1 is 2, so here also 2, both 2's getting cancelled, remaining minus 2 cos x into cos y plus 2 sin x into sin y equal to minus 2 cos of x plus y. And this can be written as, here you can see both, here minus sign is there, this plus we can change it as minus of minus, so that 1 minus sign can be taken out, remaining cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y equal to minus 2 cos of x plus y. Both sides minus 2 is common, that can be cancelled, so remaining what you are getting, cos of x plus y, this cos of x plus y I have taken to this side, equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. So that is the first result which you have to study. So after learning this, remaining you can just rearrange in this, that is you can replace plus y by minus y, you will get what is cos of x minus y. So first one we have to derive it and study, remaining we can replace the values of x and y and find out the other trigonometric identities. Hope you understood how cos of x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Remaining we'll do it in the next video. Thank you for watching my video. Those who haven't subscribed, please like, share and subscribe, and also click on the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Bye.